10 Wonders of Islam Proven by Science, Unveiling the Quranic Connections. Here are 10 wonders of Islam that have been proven by science. 1. Creation of the universe. The Quranic account of the creation of the universe is in line with the Big Bang Theory. Before we move on to the second interesting fact, do like, share and subscribe the channel and its videos. 2. Embryology. The Quran's description of human development in the womb is totally aligned with modern embryological knowledge. 3. Mountains as stabilizers. The Quran refers to mountains as stabilizers of the earth, which is said to be supported by tectonic plate movements. 4. Water cycle. The Quran describes the water cycle in a way that is consistent with modern hydrological understanding. 5. Fingerprints. The uniqueness of fingerprints, mentioned in the Quran, is seen as corresponding to modern fingerprint identification techniques. 6. Iron from the sky. The Quran references iron coming from outer space, which corresponds to iron-rich meteorites. 7. Darkness in the seas. The Quran speaks of a barrier between two seas with different properties, similar to the meeting of saltwater and freshwater in estuaries. 8. Expanding universe. Some interpret Quranic verses as referring to the expanding nature of the universe. 9. Sun's orbit. The Quran suggests that the sun follows a specific orbit. 10. Health benefits of fasting. Islamic fasting during Ramadan has been proven for having positive effects on physical and mental health. Thanks for watching the video till the end. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe.